Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I am so sorry that I have been away. I've just been so busy doing different things. But I have a different kind of unboxing today. Oh, and I hope everybody is doing wonderful. Excuse me, but anyways, I have two boxes. I think I'll do in separate videos, and hopefully I don't run out of memory. But this is a bag that I ordered recently. So it's new to my channel. This brand is new to my channel, but I think you guys are going to love it. I got the idea from Lori's Harp and Drum. I follow her on YouTube, and she was shopping in Dillard's, and she was really interested in this bag. So I got it in a different color, I think, than what she wanted. So sorry, Lori, I got this bag. But anyways, it's on sale at Macy's.com. So it's available at Dillard's and Macy's. I forget the name of it. I think it's called a medium satchel, but I will show you. I'm very cautious about this unboxing because, as you might know from the history of my channel, if you've been watching me for a while, if you order, every order that I've done, and even some other people on YouTube, I'm not the only one, who've ordered from Macy's or Dillard's, because I think they might be merged together. If you order a bag, a handbag, it comes in a horrible, it's like they took it right off of the store floor. Like, you know, one that was in a department store and it's all beat up, smells funny, smells like perfume. I've dealt with that two to three times in the past. So I am very cautious, but I really loved this bag, and it's not in my local Macy's. So sorry about the backlit. I apologize. So let's just hope for the best and get into the unboxing. So let's just do this real quick. Okay. It might come out really bad. I don't know. Let's hope for the best. Okay. Oh, not bad. All right. So let me take that out. So let's see if you can see that. Yes, you can. Oh, I have bad lighting, don't I? So it looks promising, but I don't know. Let's undo it. And if I do return it, I'm going to return it in the store, not online, because that takes longer. Okay. Oh boy. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's in perfect condition. Oh my god, oh my god. This is cool. Alright. So here she is in the packaging. Let's see if you could see that. Let's see if you could see it in this kind of lighting. Not very good. But yeah, here she is. This is her. I thought she would be a little bit bigger, but that's okay. I mean longer, but that's fine. This is a Ralph Lauren bag. And this is called, oh, it doesn't say, but I think it's called the medium satchel in the color navy, and it's made out of fabric with really nice smooth leather. And I think I'm going to keep her. So let's take this stuff off. Yeah, looks like a keeper. Like I said, I have two unboxings. Finally got a bag that I've been wanting, and I was able to do so, so why not? Because it's my hobby. This is one of my hobbies, is collecting purses and accessories. And you know, you need something to coordinate your outfit, so why not? This is hard to get off. Ugh. So thank you so much to Lori on Lori's Harp and Drum for suggesting this bag. Well, gave me the idea, that is, to get it. So as you can see, there's a lot. Now this is an awesome bag. It reminds you of the Speedy 25, I would say. It's about 12 inches, 12 to 13 in length for this bag. Can you see that? I'm going to pick up the camera actually so you can see it, hopefully in a better light. Here you go. Okay, that's better lighting. Sorry about that, guys. So this is in the color navy blue. It's called medium satchel. it comes with a little key fob, and inside is a, it's hard to do this one-handed, but you could see it's a little keychain, so you can put your keys on it. And yeah, I'd say it's like the Speedy 25. You have actual smooth, really nice leather on it. And there is a little clip. Looks like it's a peg and groove. Yeah, it comes off really easily, so you can hold the two handles together. All right, so here it is. It says pre-spring navy, but yeah, it's just called the medium satchel, I believe, in the color navy. And so here's the zippers. You have two zippers, which is great. And there's a lot of stuffing. Oh my god. They really stuffed this well. So hold on, let me put the camera down real quick. Just a second. Let me put the camera down so I can use both hands to take out the stuffing. Okay. Here we go. Alright, that's out. Let me show you this out. Hopefully my camera doesn't run out of memory, but here we go. That is cute. I didn't know it had that. It has like a Ralph Lauren, like the Uni plate, but it says Ralph Lauren and then the number. So that's a back zip pocket, and then you have just one front slip pocket lined in leather, and they said it's a polyester lined cotton, but it's okay, no big deal. This is a very lightweight bag, you guys. It also comes with, sorry about that, a strap. And it's not very long. I don't want to take it off now, but it's only, well, actually it's crossbody. I thought it was shorter than that. So let me see here what this looks like. Oh, and here is the side. But yeah, I know it's hard to see, but it's the navy leather on both sides. So you got pockets on the side. Woohoo! They had this in the color like a cognac tan, and then they have it in a really light tan, and I just didn't like either of those. So here is the strap. Let me show you. So yeah, kind of curled up there, kind of weird, but it clips on the side. It's kind of a thin strap. But yeah, you have gold tone hardware. Perfect. So I can't tell because I'd have to try it out, but by the way, I'm going to keep this, you guys. So, well, I accidentally put it through that. So it could almost go, yep, it could go crossbody and not shoulder, because I can tell it's not put on the shortest loop. Pretty sure. If not, I can always create another hole, but I want it crossbody if I need it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. She is so cute, and I'm so glad I got something different to add to my collection instead of just the same old Dooney bags, which, like I said, I have another unboxing coming up. But yeah, let me know what you think. Oh, and here's a better view of the side pocket. So cute. And on the bottom, looks like it's just all leather, so it might get a little more beat up, but very lightweight. And she's a keeper. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and catch you on the next video. Bye.